Hi everyone, my name is Atticus, the creator of AutoRota, an app to make managing your shifts much easier. So today I'm going to show you how to import your rota from HealthRota. So if we first start by clicking import from HealthRota, we need to download the Google Chrome extension that's been built to help with this. I'll add this and I'll pin this to the tab just up there. The next step is opening HealthRota and finding your schedule. And once this is loaded, then head up to the AutoRota extractor and start extracting shifts. This will collect all of your shifts together, and then you can just click import your shifts to AutoRota. It will open a new tab and automatically pass that data in. I can now name the rota and start importing. This will use AI to recognize some of the shifts and assign them some colors. Once it's all imported, you'll be taken to your rota and you can see all of your shifts here nicely imported, ready to use.